In this Builders demo, we're going to show you how simple it is to automate your event processes. Quickly learn how to digitize RSVP collection and use that data to create event tickets and electronic receipts. We'll show you how to build a form in Formstack Salesforce app, populate multiple documents with a single form, and instantly send event tickets and receipts to registered attendees. This Builders demo was inspired by a workflow used by Pacer Sports and Entertainment to manage events and engage with fans, which you can hear more about on our podcast, Ripple Effect. To build this workflow, you'll need a Formstack Salesforce app account and a Formstack Documents account. Formstack Salesforce app is a 100% native form builder that lets users quickly and easily build custom forms and surveys and better map data to Salesforce. We're going to start by building a form in your Salesforce app account. Navigate to the app launcher and choose the Formstack Salesforce app. Select Create a new form, give your form a name and a primary object. We are using a custom object for this workflow. To build your own custom object in Salesforce, select Setup, Create, and New Custom Object. We're going to use our new custom object as our primary object. Formstack Salesforce app makes it easy to capture data related to any of the standard or custom objects in your Salesforce org. Because you're pulling in fields directly from your Salesforce org, you don't need to worry about mapping. We're going to simply drag and drop the fields we want in our form. There is no additional configuration needed. These fields all automatically pull in the Salesforce field label. You can easily update these field labels if you need to, so they make sense to your end user. If you're planning to have Formstack host your form and send it out as a link, maybe in an email, you may want to update how it looks by adding your own brand elements, color, or logo. You can make these changes on our Edit Style tab. However, if you're planning to embed your Salesforce form on your website, you won't need to do much in the way of styling. Our forms can inherit style and CSS directly from any web page. For this example, we're going to embed the form on our site, so we're not planning to change anything. Next, head over to Form Settings. Here you can customize different aspects of your form, such as your submit label, confirmation pop-up, and more. Once we've made all of our desired changes, we're ready to publish our form. Select Publish and review your publishing options. The embed code can be copied and pasted onto any web page to render the form as part of the page. This can be used externally on any website or internally within Salesforce. If you don't have a web page to add your form to, we also have a hosted form option, which will allow you to send out a link to your form. Now we'll move to our Formstack Documents account. Head over to the app launcher and choose the Formstack Documents app. Select the Documents tab and choose New Document. You'll be prompted to give your document a title. You have the option to upload a Microsoft document, Excel spreadsheet, PowerPoint, or PDF, start with a Formstack Documents example template, or use the document builder to create your form from scratch. For this example, we're going to upload pre-built templates. Next, choose how you want to deliver your populated document. Finally, we need to choose where our data is coming from. For this example, we're going to populate our document with data from the Formstack Salesforce app form we created earlier. Here's a look at our final event ticket template once we've added our merge fields. Now we're going to go back and follow the same steps to prepare our receipt. To set up our data route, we're going to navigate to the Data Routing tab and select New Data Route. Here, we'll give our data route a title. Next, we'll select the documents we want to create with the form data. If needed, you can add conditional logic so your document only populates and sends when certain conditions are met. However, we won't be needing any logic for this workflow. Select Update Rules to save. Now it's time to set up our delivery. We'll use a merge field to send our document directly to the email address included by the attendee on their RSVP. Next, we can update the subject line and body of our email. Since we're using a new custom object for this workflow, we'll need to head over to Settings and select Add a new object. Then we can head over to the Mappings tab to generate our new mapping. Make a note of the ID included at the top of the page. We'll need that for our next step. For our last step, we need to head over to our process builder in Salesforce. Go to Setup and use the quick find to search Process Builder. Select New. We'll need to give our process a name and let Salesforce know we want the process to start when a record changes. First, we'll add our attendee object. We don't need any special criteria for this object, so you can just choose No Criteria, just execute the action. For immediate actions, we're going to choose Apex. Here's where you'll refer back to your event registration mapping number. Copy and paste the number under Value. For Salesforce field reference value, we'll choose Attendee's name. Activate, and you're done. It's time to run a test. Once users hit Submit on your form, their documents will be automatically created and sent to their email. You won't need to worry about manually entering data into Salesforce or generating any physical documents. To hear about this workflow in action, check out our podcast, Ripple Effect. In episode 1, we talked with Celeste Ballou, Director of Digital Marketing at Pacer Sports Entertainment. Check out the link in the description to get the full story. Check out other videos in our Builder series, and subscribe to our channel to get notified when new videos come out.